Hi, greetings once again in our series How to Use Scholar. In this part of the series, I'm going to be showing you how to create or how to register a staff into Scholar. So this operation can be performed only by an administrator. Only an administrator can register a new staff into Scholar. So as an administrator, you enter your administrator username, administrator password, and then you click the login button. So I'm right in at the moment. So in order to register a new staff, you go under staff, click on so when you hover on staff menu item, you are going to see all staff on the drop down, the first item. Click on it. You will see a list of all registered staff in your system. At the top right, you see some actions: add staff, upload staff list, withdrawn staff. Just below that, you see a table showing the serial number, the name of the staff, gender of the staff, employment date, the matricle number, and a series of actions to edit information, to withdraw staff. You can also see a search box. You can see copy, export to Excel, CSV, and PDF for reporting. Here you can filter this table. At the moment, it is displaying 10 records per page. As you can see, there is more than one page there. So if you want to see more records, you can display more of them, or you can say display all. So how do you go ahead to register a new staff? In order to register a new staff, the top right, you see the button Add Staff. Click on that button. So once you have clicked on that button, a form is going to open requesting for some information. So looking at that form, anything that is starred in red is compulsory. The form is titled Adding Employees. So the first input box there requests for the matricle number. So if the staff is having a matricle, then you can enter a matricle. I'm just going to enter a matricle here for demonstrative purposes. I'm going to enter staff information here. So you put the name of the staff in full. That's the staff's full name. You select the gender from this drop down. Select the gender from this drop down. Then you enter the date of birth right here. So the date of birth field is a drop down of calendar where you can pick the year, the month. So you can pick the year. So right, I'm just going to pick the year. So you can pick a month and then pick a day. Same thing, you do the same thing for employment date. I'm going to take today as the default one. Then the position of the staff, you select it, enter the phone number. And please, when you enter the phone number, include the country code. Enter the email, enter the address, you select the marital status, the number of children, if the person has some children, and you select the country, the country of the person, you pick the qualification, you enter the echelon. The echelon is the person's longevity of service in your institution. Just leave the default if your school doesn't support that. Select the region of origin, you pick the division, then click save. Once it is successful, you'll see this message saying save successfully. You can search for that person and you see the information right there. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video on how to use Scholar.